This your boy Quacy Watson, chilling, playing video games at my wifey house. She working another nigger. I mean to talk my shit. I married that ugly bitch to move out my mommy house at 31 years old. My brother's stupid. The reason why I can't have no kids because I killed 3 unborn kids. My sperm is retarded. Jimmy's my daddy. Kevin Smith my uncle. The reason I'm talking about Lamar so much because he doing better than me. He got more bitches than me. I'm trying to push up on Della because she's pretty good looking than my wife. I'm trying to hit her up on Facebook Messenger. I'm a retarded nigga. I miss Monty Woodgrain. I miss Jamari. I have no money. I kiss Jimmy's clitoris ass. I taste his jizz. I kiss Rio's ass. I kiss Caribbean Freddy's ass. I kiss Billy Hood's ass. Billy Hood roast me. It's true. I'm a faggot. I always follow my wife around like a bitch. Yo, stop picking at me, man. I hate y'all niggas, man. I kill my kids because I'm stupid, man. This your boy Quacy Watson, and I'm out.